Let's get your iPhone or Android connected to your 2014-2018 Toyota RAV4 for music. Since these models don't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, we'll use Bluetooth. First, enable Bluetooth on your phone. On your RAV4's infotainment screen, go to Phone or Bluetooth Settings. Select Add Device or search for devices. Your RAV4 should appear on your phone. Select it and enter the PIN, usually 0000. Once paired, choose your phone as the audio source to stream music from apps like Spotify or Apple Music. If you're experiencing Bluetooth issues with your 2014-2018 Toyota RAV4, here are some troubleshooting steps and alternatives for better music playback. First, try forgetting the device on both your phone and the RAV4. Then repeat the pairing process. This often resolves connection problems. For connection drops, a simple reset of the system can help. Also, ensure your RAV4's firmware is up to date, although official updates have largely ended for these models. For a more modern experience, consider aftermarket CarPlay or Android Auto retrofit kits. These allow wireless mirroring and can significantly improve music quality compared to basic Bluetooth. These kits typically cost between $300 and $600 and require professional installation, but they offer a significant upgrade over the basic Bluetooth system.